Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the paragraph group in Microsoft Word. Mastering the paragraph group will help you create neatly formatted and professional documents. Let's get started. First, open up a blank document, then locate the paragraph group. It's on the Home tab of the ribbon right here. The paragraph group is where you can control the layout of your text. Let's break down the main features one by one. First, we have the alignment button. These buttons allow you to align your text to the left, center, right, or justified. Let's try all these options. Next, we have the indent buttons. The increase indent and decrease indent buttons allow you to adjust the indent of your paragraph. Let's try increasing and decreasing the indent. Next up is the line and paragraph spacing button. These buttons allow you to set the spacing between lines and paragraph. You can choose single, 1.5, or double spacing. Let's try a few of these options. You can see the difference here. Then we have the numbering and bullet buttons. This allows you to create numbered lists or bullet points. Let's create a number list and a bulleted list. Next up is the border and shading buttons. This is the shading button and this is the border button. The bordings and shading buttons lets you add borders and shading to your paragraph. Let's add a border and shading to our paragraph. You could see the shading and the border right here. Lastly, we have the sort button. These buttons let you sort text alphabetically or numerically. This is useful when working with lists or tables. Let's sort our list. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the paragraph group in Microsoft Word. By mastering these tools, you can make your documents more organized and readable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.